Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been such a long time since I've been on here, but so much has happened. I recently graduated, moved to Washington, moved in with my long-term boyfriend. It's like so much to talk about, but I decided that coming back onto my YouTube channel, my first video coming back would be talking about Abella Eyewear. So I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys. So I guess let's just jump right in, because I haven't been in here in a while and I kind of forgot how to do this, so we're unboxing. So yeah, so it's been crazy these past couple months or years. How long has it been that I haven't been on here? I don't remember when my last video was. So this is the box it came in, and it came in this little box. It says Abella. And you slide it. There you go. And then so there was that, and then now there's Abella. I don't know if you guys can see it. It might look backwards just because I'm doing the front-facing video, but we'll see once I go back on it and look at it. So opening it up, it's cute. It has like it seemed like it had good packaging. Like it didn't have any like bubble wrap in it, but I mean it looks protected in here, so it looks nice and snug. So then I just open it up, and there's a little what is this called, a dust bag, I think, and it has the logo right there, Abella. It also comes in with this thing, I don't even know what it's called. It's this little things that cleans your glasses off. It's like a little thing. And it also has their logo on there, Abella, which is cute. So it's like, I don't know if you guys are OCD, but I'm really OCD, so this helps with tracking what glasses cleaner goes with which glasses. And then it comes with this. It's like a little booklet, and it's like, I'm assuming it's like how to take care of your glasses. Abella, thank you for joining the Abella fam. Don't forget to follow us, Abella Eyewear. That's Instagram. So it just talks about warranty and returns and all of that, and then you get a certificate of authenticity, which is cute. This page certifies the ownership of an authentic pair of Abella sunglasses, handmade from us to you. That's cute. Okay, so I guess let's open up the glasses. So the pair of glasses that I ordered, oh, I'm recording on my phone so I can't see. I think it was called like Morton or something like that. I'll link it on the description on the bottom just so you guys can see like what pair of glasses I got. So this is what it comes in. Oh, only one of them has it, which is cool, I guess. I don't know. And then I'll take this one. Oh, shoot. There you go. So these are the glasses I bought. I thought they were pretty cute. I thought, like, since I had like a cat eye type of thing, I don't know if you guys can really see it just because. Here, let me see, maybe like in the back of this. There you go. So I think they're called Morton, but like I said, I'll put everything on the description below. And I got these just because, like, okay, so I have a small face, and I feel like when I wear big glasses, my face just looks smaller. But I really liked these because it had cat eyes, so I was like, whatever, I'll get these giant glasses. It's gonna take up half of my face, like literally, you can't even see my eyebrows when I wear big glasses. So I was like, hey, might as well. I thought they were really cute. The earpieces, I don't know what these are called. They seem pretty sturdy. Like, see, it doesn't fall very easily. Because I had seen another review on the Abella Eyewear, and one of them was like the girl, like, she put it up, and as soon as she put it up, it like fell over. But these look pretty sturdy to me. And there was another review that some girl, like, I guess she got like metal parts of these little thingies, but these are plastic, which I'm happy. After I saw that girl do the review, I was like, oh my god, I hope mine don't come with metal. But they look pretty sturdy. All right, let's try them on. I hope they look cute. Oh, I kind of like I kind of like them, to be honest. Wait, you guys, I need them here. Hold on. I kind of like them. Oh yeah, they're cute. Wow, they're like big, but like, I don't know if this sounds weird, but like perfectly big. Man, I'm kind of mad because like, you guys can't really see a lot. Or I don't know if it's just because I have the glasses on that it feels like you guys can't see, but look at, there's the glare. You can see the outside of my building, kind of, there's construction going on. But I like them. They're so cute, you guys. Oh, that's hella cute. Oh no, really, I really like them. I wouldn't lie to you guys if I didn't like them. I would have told you guys that I didn't like them, but I'm actually enjoying these glasses. Now I just gotta go take them out for a spin and see if they actually work out there. But I mean, it seems like they work. Yeah, they're really cute. Let's see if you guys could like see through the lenses if I put you guys up close. Oh, I don't want to break them though. Can you guys see? That's pretty cool, huh? I don't know. I like them. I was getting a little discouraged. Like I said, I was like looking at other reviews about Abella Eyewear, and I was like, okay, like people are probably just gonna say what they want to say because they want to like get people to buy like with their discount code or whatever. I mean, like some people tell the truth and then some people don't, you know? I'm just making sure that everything's fine. Well, that's cute. It has like a little Abella logo. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna focus. It's my iPhone, you guys. I need to get like a professional camera. But they're really cute. They're very sturdy. Oh, it's on the side too. I don't know if you guys can see that one. Dang. I wish I had a camera that would focus. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so people like, I mean, it seems like sometimes people tend to like lie about things because they just want to get like people to buy from their discount code. And I mean, yeah, I'm giving you guys a discount code too, but I wouldn't lie to you. I do not want to lie to you guys because I feel like you guys are the ones supporting me, and if I'm not recommending good product, how are you guys gonna trust me? So so far I like these. The Morton, I think they're called Morton. Like I said, I'll put everything in the description below. They're Morton glasses. I got mine in black. I don't know if there was other colors available. Maybe I should just wear them for the rest of the video. They're pretty cute. And I ordered my glasses. It was like in the middle of the night. It was like 2 in the morning, and I was like, I'll buy these glasses, sure, why not? And I had seen that some people were like, oh, it took like 2 to 3 weeks for my glasses to get in. I swear it's only been a week. I'll check when I ordered my glasses, and I'll let you guys know how long it took. Some people said it came from like Australia or something like that. Here it says it comes from Jacksonville, Florida. Here, let me block off my address and show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. Dude, it sucks. Like, why doesn't it focus? Here, if I put it closer. Further. Can you guys see that? Jacksonville, Florida. I don't know. But, no, I feel like it came at a pretty reasonable time. And I mean, here it says time-sensitive material. So, I'm assuming it was like, not first class, or maybe first class for time-sensitive material. I don't know. But overall, I love my glasses. I can't wait to show my boyfriend when he gets home, because I've been telling him about these glasses that I thought they were cute online. I wasn't sure if they were gonna come and look exactly how it did in the picture, but it did, and I'm very happy with my purchase, and I can't wait to take pictures of them so then I can show you guys on Instagram, and then you guys can like shop with your little go on their website, and you guys can shop for these glasses or another pair of glasses. And if you guys do, I'm gonna provide the link on the description below, and you guys can get, I believe I can give you 30% off, or is it 20% off? I wasn't too sure, but if you just click directly on the link in the description, it'll take you directly there, and it'll take off the percentage at the end of the checkout. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm happy to start this new journey in my life. Like I said, I just moved to Seattle, Washington. It's so brand new to me for so many reasons. Like, I've never lived in a different state besides California. I'm a Cali girl all the way. I've never lived with a boy before, so now I get to live in with my longtime boyfriend. And it's just all new territory, and I'm kind of scared but excited at the same time, and I can't wait to keep you updating you guys on my life out here. And I'm hoping that not being busy anymore with school and the school club I was a part of and volunteering and work, like I'm hoping that now that I'll just be working, I'll have more time to upload some more videos. I am excited that I do have a list so far, and I have a couple ideas coming up, so I'm excited to share some of these things with you guys. And I have more unboxing to come. I just wanted to do like a special like for these glasses, just because, or maybe I'll just do all the other unboxings separately too, because I feel like they all deserve their spotlight. But yeah, if you guys liked this video, hit that subscribe button. Where is it at? I don't know. If I'm maybe down here, I don't know, up there. Anyway, hit the subscribe button, comment down below, let me know if you guys think these glasses are too big on me, because honestly, you know how sometimes you perceive yourself in a different way than what other people think of you. If you think they're big, let me know. If not, I don't know, I still like them. I'll probably still wear them. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching, you guys. Bye.